Below is this remote RGB function. Receivers have set as RGB type through dip switch. Off, on. Color ring for static colors. Hotkey for white color. Hotkey for 6 popular static colors. Long price brightness for gradual dim down. Long price brightness plus to gradual dim up. Mode key. There are total 8 dynamic modes. Long price speed to speed down the dynamic changing. Long price speed plus to speed up the dynamic changing. With excellent wireless sync control function, multi-pieces receivers could be controlled at the same time.